Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to style your text for your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the text editor, which is Sublime Text, or any other text editor you wish to use. So we're going to go over to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application Sublime Text, and that should open. The previous tutorials work. If not, go to File, Open, search for the destination, open up the index.html file, and this is what you should see on screen. Go within body and type in a paragraph with style. Yes, style. Within style, we need color to be red or any other color you wish. And then type in I am red. Less than /p. For autofill, go to a new line, type in p style again. Font size, which is a property, 75 pixels. Semicolon. Type in this is big. Less than /p, which is autofill. Command S to save. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube channel, Tutorials, HTML, Tutorials. Go to the index.html text file. Open with Safari. Minimize Finder for the moment. Decrease the size of the web browser. Decrease the size of Sublime Text. And now you can see both windows at the same time. So on the right it says I am red with color red, and this is big, 75 pixels. That's how you style the text in paragraphs from your index.html text file all the way to the web browser. So we can now quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.